Algorand value equivalent to $0.2218 a coin, or so they in a real sense thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.2207-0.2248. The earlier day close, 0.2233, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The change truly was 0.0015, 0.67%, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Reverse rate, USD to ALGO, or so they generally thought. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which is genuinely huge. Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $0.22, beautiful most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $0.22, really most extreme 0.24, genuinely least 0.20, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $0.21, really greatest 0.22, beautiful least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. Algorand estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost $0.24, truly most extreme 0.26, fundamentally least 0.22 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $0.24, exceptionally greatest 0.26, in every way that really matters, least 0.22, or so they thought. In multi-week Algorand conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost $0.23, really most extreme 0.25, genuinely least 0.21, which is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.23, sort of greatest 0.25, beautiful least 0.21 amazingly. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.23, in every practical sense, greatest 0.25, kind of least 0.21, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost $0.22, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.24, especially least 0.20. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 14, cost $0.23, really most extreme 0.25, least 0.21, or so they thought. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $0.22, exceptionally most extreme 0.24, certainly least 0.20. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.23, greatest 0.25, truly least 0.21 in an essentially huge way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.22, especially most extreme 0.24, sort of least 0.20, which all things considered is very critical. Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.23, extremely greatest 0.25, for the most part least 0.21, or so they in a real sense thought. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.22, fundamentally greatest 0.24, least 0.20, which truly is very huge. In 3 weeks Algorand figure on Monday, April 24, cost $0.24, sort of greatest 0.26, especially least 0.22, which is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.24, by and large greatest 0.26, in every practical sense, least 0.22, which really shows the Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost $0.23, fundamentally most extreme 0.25, especially least 0.21, or so they certainly thought. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.22, fundamentally most extreme 0.24, essentially least 0.20, or so they sort of thought. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.23, especially most extreme 0.25, kind of least 0.21 in a by and large enormous manner. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 28, cost $0.24, really greatest 0.26, least 0.22 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $0.26, fundamentally most extreme 0.28, essentially least 0.24 amazingly. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.26, truly greatest 0.28, in every practical sense, least 0.24, which especially shows that the earlier day close, 0.2233, or so they explicitly thought. USD to ALGO conversion standard equivalent to 4.5086 coins per $1 in a genuinely enormous manner. Today, S reach 4.448 minus 4.5310, which generally is very critical. The past day, S nearby 4.4783, or so they truly thought. Change for now plus 0.0303, plus 0.68% in a for the most part enormous manner. USD to ALGO cost conjecture for, in the not so distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 4.545 coins. Certainly most extreme 5.000, least 4.167, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost 4.545 coins. Sort of greatest 5.000, in every way that really matters, least 4.167. By and large further appearance how Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $0.22, sort of most extreme 0.24, fundamentally least 0.20, or so they generally thought. Dollar to Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost 4.762 coins, really most extreme 5.000, certainly least 4.545, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to ALGO expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.167 coins, truly greatest 4.545, especially least 3.846, truly further appearance how Algorand value forecast for, in the not so distant future and month, which really is genuinely huge. Dollar to Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost 4.167 coins, truly greatest 4.545, truly least 3.846, which by and large is genuinely huge. And multi-week USD to ALGO expectation on Monday, April 10, cost 4.348 coins, greatest 4.762, in every way that really matters, least 4.000, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Algorand estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost 4.348 coins, truly greatest 4.762, by and large least 4.000, showing that SD to ALGO cost figure for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they especially thought. USD to ALGO expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost 4.348 coins, truly greatest 4.762, truly least 4.000, which truly shows that Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost $0.22, really most extreme 0.24, genuinely least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Algorand figure on Thursday, April 13, cost 4.545 coins, really greatest 5.000, certainly least 4.167 in an unobtrusive way. USD to ALGO expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 4.348 coins, beautiful greatest 4.762, really least 4.000, showing that dollar to Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 5, cost 4.762 coins, especially most extreme 5.000, kind of least 4.545, or so they sort of thought. In about 14 days dollar to Algorand gauge on Monday, April 17,